Yes. Hello everyone. Welcome to Shivagana aptitude classes. I come up with a new video. In this video, I'm going to explain a very recent question paper that is conducted on 22/6/2021. The company name is Cognizant, simply CTS. CTS. The first question, which of the following is the greatest among? If I take this one, triple two into triple two, okay, its result is what? Its result is definitely 5 digit. So this will consisting of a 5 digit result. Okay, let us check this one. To get the number of digits, generally we are going to take logarithm. Triple two log 2 if we take the logarithm. So triple two into log 2 is 0.30103, which will result 65.86 something. So integral part plus 1, this is the procedure. 66 point, sorry, integral part plus 1, which means this will consisting of 67 digits. It is quite clearly evident that 22 power 22 should not contain, definitely should not contain more than 67 digits. So this is higher, clearly answer over. Fantastic question. To find the number of digits in a given number, this is the process. Apply the logarithm and integral part plus 1. So P varies directly as square root of Q, and also P varies inversely to the square root of R, square not square of Q. If we club these two, P is proportional to Q square divided by root R. There is a proportionality is given, which is K. Therefore Q square by root R. So which means P into root R is equal to K into Q square, which was there in option 3C. That's it. Simple question. Next one. In an election, 5 candidates, among which 3 members are to be selected. Out of that 5, you need to select 3. Voter vote for any number of candidates not greater than the number to be selected. So voter should not be allowed to select more than 3. Voter should not be allowed to select more than 3. So voter can select 1, voter can select 2, voter can select 3. That's it. This is 5, this is 10, this is 10, 25. What is the probability of getting odd sum of scores when 2 dice are thrown? If 2 dice are thrown, the probability of getting odd sum is 1 by 2. Very simple if you go by the smart thinking. What was that? 2 dice are thrown. So we are going to add only 2 numbers. We are going to add only two digit number. We are going to add only 2 single digit numbers. We are going to add 2 single digit numbers. If we add 2 single digit numbers, possibility of even and possibility of odd will be equally divided, which means 1 by 2. Possibilities of some even, possibility of some odd, which is equally divided, which means 1 by 2. If you want the better, clear, more clarification, let us see. If 2 dice are thrown, possible sums are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If 2 dice are thrown, this is now odd sum we require. First of all, total cases. If 2 dice are thrown, total cases are 6 into 6. Now sum 3, we may get 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. Sum 5 possibilities, 1 4 4 1, 2 3 3 2. Sum 7 possibilities, first die 1, second die 6 or 6 1, 2 5 5 2, 3 4 4 3. These are how many cases? 6 cases. These are how many cases? 4 cases. These are 2 cases. Sum 9 possibilities. 3 6 6 3. Any other for 9? 5 4 4 9 5 4 4 5. Total how many cases? 4 cases. Possibility of sum getting 11. First die 5, second die 6, or first die 6, second die 5. Total how many? 2. Let us calculate. 4 plus 2 6 6 6 12 12 plus 6 18 18 by 36 1 by 2. This is the complete analysis or complete explanation. If you think smartly, when two single digits are added, possibility of getting even sum and possibility of getting odd sum, it is equal. So that's why 1 by 2. If you go by that, it is easy and faster. If you go in this elaborated traditional way, it will take time. Sometimes according to the question, your analysis, your thinking should be. Manufacturers of a certain item can sell all he can produce. Whatever he produced, he is selling all at the price of 60 each. So if X units are produced, let us say, if X units are produced, each he is selling at 60. So total selling price is 60X. Total selling price is 60. It cost him 40 in material. So production cost 40X. And labor to produce each item, and the overhead expenses are 3000 per week, which means 3000 is the fixed cost. In order to operate the plant, the number of units he should produce and sell in order to make the profit at least 1000 per week. Profit is needed 1000. This is the total selling. So this is the cost price for producing the X units. This is the maintenance cost, and this is the profit is expected maintenance, or we can say this is the fixed cost. We say fixed cost, right? So cost price plus these all together will give the selling price including the profit. Simply what I am doing is cost price plus profit is equal to selling price. This is what I did. Okay, now 60 minus 40, 20x is equal to 4000. X is equal to 4000 by 20. X is equal to simply 4000 divided by 20. 200 units. The number of units they have to produce at least they have to produce how many units? 200 units to get the profit of 100,000 per week. On selling a t-shirt at 5/7 of the market price, 5/7 of the market price, MRP is the market price, the store earns 15% profit. That's okay, 15% profit. So 5/7 of the market price is the selling price. And also one more thing, I can write this selling price in another way. He is getting 15% profit. Let us say cost price is CP, and he is getting how much? 15%. So 15% of CP, right? This is the cost price and this is the profit. Together will give the selling price. So selling price is how much? 115 divided by 100 into cost price. This is the selling price of the item. This is also selling price of the item in two different, for the same shirt. This is in terms of MRP, this is in terms of CP. If we equate these two, MRP divided by, if we equate these two, MRP divided by CP is how much? 5/7 MRP, 15, this is 25, this is 520s, this is 523s. 23 into 7 divided by 20 into 5. This is finally I'm going to get, which is nothing but 161 divided by 100, which means for the cost price of 100, MRP is 161. That's okay. He is sold at MRP. So this is indirectly equal to selling price also here. He just asking If the t-shirt is sold at marked price, what is the profit? That is what he is asking, right? Cost price is 100, is selling at MRP of 161. Out of 100 he is getting 61 profit. Profit percentage is 61%. Okay, this is a recurring number 0.35 bar into 198, right? This is 3 comma 5, 2 digits are 3 comma 5, 2 digits are repeated, which is nothing but converting into fraction. This is the process to convert the recurring number into fraction, right? If 3 digits are repeated, I can place 9. If 4 digits are replaced, I can place 4 nines. That's it. Here 2 digits are repeated into 198. This is 2 times 35 into 2, 70. Next, find the number to be multiplied so as to get this one. Minus 6 is nothing but minus 1 by 6. You have to multiply with what? You have to get what? You have to get minus 1 by 8 power minus 1, which is nothing but minus 1 by 8. This is also minus 1. Minus 6 power minus 1. Okay. Minus gets cancelled. X equal to 6 by 8, 3 by 4. We have to multiply with 3 by 4 simply. If you multiply with 3 by 4, this will becomes this one. Simple, silly, easy, LKG level question. The letters of the word arrange are to be arranged, rearranged such that R's never together. The total possible ways. These type of questions I explained a number of questions in my video course in the topic of permutation and combination. Simply what we have to do is, here R's never together. Simply the question can be answered. Total cases minus R's together. That's it. Total cases minus R's together will give R's never together. No, never come together. Arrange. Total 7 letters can be arranged in 7 factorial. In that 2 R's are repeated, 2 A's are repeated. Minus R's together. Whatever the together, make it as one group. Next, remaining are what? A, N, G, E. These are total how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups can be arranged in 6 factorial. In that 2 A's are repeated. This is R's. This will give R's never to come together. Total minus R's together. This one is 1260. This is 360. This is 360, which will give how much? 900. That is. In how many ways can 3 leads to be selected out of 5 males and 4 females? If at least one female must be selected. At least, always a disturbing word. If at least comes, always take total minus none is the best approach. Total minus none. Because at least one female, we can select 1 female, 2 female, 3 female. Right? That is the reason why number of cases we need to discuss. Instead of that, total minus none is the best case. 5, 4, 9. Out of 9, we need to select how many? 3. This is the total cases. Minus none in the sense no female, which means all are males. 5C3. That's it. 9C3 minus 5C3. If it was there in the options, no. What I have to do? 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 6 minus 5C3 is 10. 2 3's, 2 4's, 3 3's, right? 84 minus 10, 74, which was there. Permutation and combination of A, B, C, D taken 3 at a time. Out of 4, we need permutation of 3, 4P3. Out of 4, we need the combination of 3, 4C3. 4P3 is 24, 4C3 is 4. So answer for this question is option D. Simple question, my dear viewers. Find the remainder when 2 power 11 is divided by 5. Definite question in every placement. The topic is remainder. I explained beautifully in 4 videos in the video course. that I prepared for the placements, exclusively placements. That video course is available. For that you can contact this one. For that you can reach this one. You can reach this one, right? That video course, complete video course will be available. For that you can reach this one. The remainder 2 power 11 divided by 5, the remainder. How to do? Just bring the numerator base as closer as possible to denominator. Just bring the numerator base as closer as possible to denominator. 2 power 11, so 2 power 5 whole power 2, 5 2s are 10, and 2 power 1 divided by 5. 2 power 5 is 32. 32 power 2 divided into 2 power 1 divided by 5. 32 divided by 5. How much the remainder? 5. 5. 32 divided by 5. Remainder is 2. 32 divided by 5. Remainder is 2. That remainder 2 how many times? 2 times. So 2 into 2. 2 2 2 2 times into 2 power 1 divided by 5. 2 cube is 8. 8 by 5. Remainder is 3. For that complete video course you can reach this one. As this is a paper explanation, straight away I am explaining the question with the best possible way of explanation. What is the highest power of 5 in 2000 factorial? 5 is a prime number. If he is asking about prime number, this is the process, right? This also I explained in my video course at a length. Divide continuously 200 by 5. 5 4s are 5 8s are 5 1s are, that's it. 40 plus 8 plus 1 49, that's it. Except this one, remaining sum. This is the way of finding the highest power or maximum power of any given prime number in the given factorial. Log 16 64, okay. 16 4 cube 16 4 square, 64 4 cube. Yeah, we can through. So this can be written as log 4 cube, here 4 square, minus log, this is 4 square, this is 4 cube, which is nothing but 3 by 2 log 4 to the base 4 minus 2 by 3 log 4 to the base 4. Log 4 to the base 4 is 1. 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3. LCM is 6. 2 3s, 3 3s are 9. 3 2s, 5 by 6. Where was that? This is 5 by 6 is the answer. Next question. This is simply logarithm questions are definitely going to ask in CTS, in Infosys Drive, in Tech Mahindra Drive. There is a possibility of asking logarithm questions in TCS, my dear viewers. Don't forget. And also Accenture also. Basics. This is log 10. This can be written as 1 by 1000. Sorry. 1000. 10 power minus 3. So this I can shape it as log 1 to the base 10 minus log 1000 to the base 10. This is 0 minus this 1000 I can write as 10 cube. So 3 log 10 base 10. This is one answer, minus 3. What is the value of log this one if these are given? So 2205. First of all, 5 is given, log 5, log 7, log 3 are given. Let us work with 5. 5 4s, 4 1s. Next again cannot work with 5, we can work with 3. 1 4 7 times. I can work with 3 again. This is 3 4s, 3 9s. I can work with 7 7s. So this is I can write as 7 square into 3 square into 5. So if we take the logarithm, log 2205 is equal to this, for this logarithm 2 log 7. log 7 is b, plus 3 2 log 3, log 3 is c, and 1 log 5, log 5 is a. This is the answer. 2b, 2c, a. Is there present? No, none of the above. A, B, C are such that B is the simple interest of A and C is the simple interest of B for the same period and same rate of interest. Very simple question. So B is the simple interest. I am just applying PRT by 100, RT by 100. B is the simple interest of A. Next, C is the simple interest of B for the same rate, same time period. C is the simple interest of B. Okay. From this I am going to get B by A. B by A is equal to RT by 100. From this I am going to get C by B. C by B is equal to RT by 100. If I equate these two, what I am going to get? B by A is equal to C by B, which means B square is equal to AC. If it is there in the options, yeah, it is there in the options. B square is equal to A. Next question, one of the primary model question, premier model question in time and work. 4 men can repair a road in 7 hours is equal to how many men can repair the same road in 2 hours, right? This is 2 2s, so 7 2s are 14 over. The concept is m into men into days into efficiency into number of hours divided by total work is always a constant. Based on this, this question has been given. Most important one in time and work, my dear viewers. Lot of chance to get the question on this in every placement. There is a chance of 99.9% to get the question on this model, on this exclusive model in time and work. That is the end of my video, of this video. In this video I try my level best to explain the original questions which are asked in the CTS drive conducted in 2021 January. Thank you, my dear viewers. Make use of this video as best as possible for your upcoming placements. Thank you, one and all.